In this InVideo AI tutorial, I'll show you how to create AI video using text prompt. So first, I'll start with the stock premium option, and later on, I'll create another video using the generative credit. I'll drop the link in the description box. All right, so first, make sure you have the V3 selected because the previous version, which is the V2, is here, but don't use it. Use the V3. You can use the prompting box or these 5 prompting elements. All right, so I'll grab my prompt, paste it here. All right, so this is my title: make a video about the 10 benefits of affiliate marketing, but included, please use the following intro and outro guidelines. And this is the intro. Also, this is the outro. But if you don't have a specific intro and outro, that's fine. In case I want a specific one, because it's good if you know what you are doing or your target market. All right, because this is our business. So I'm done, so I'll click on generate a video. All right, so this will take a bit of time to analyze the nature of the video, so I'll give it a little bit of time to do its thing. All right, so it took about 1 minute to analyze, which is all right. So now, do I want to use stock media or generative media? In this video, I'll use stock media because I don't have enough generative media. So 4 minutes is the duration. I'll keep it like that. Audiences, entrepreneurs, that's good. And platform is for YouTube. So continue, but if you want otherwise, you can just switch it and everything will change, and you have to select the necessary follow-ups. All right, but I'll go with stock media and I'll click continue. All right, so this will take a little while as well, so I'll let it be. If you got stuff to do, you can check notify me when it's ready and then turn on, but not now. All right, so I'll leave it alone. I'll be back. I'll pause the video right here and I'll be back. All right, so it's done and it's loading the preview. This took like about 2 minutes. All right, so it's done and let's check it out. And as you can tell right here, it's 3 minutes 55 seconds. So it's still loading. Okay, now loading is completed. So I'll play it right now.
Have you ever scrolled through Instagram and seen someone promoting a product and wondered, how do they make money doing that?
So this is using my custom clone voice that I have in the system, but later on if I have to change it, first I'll change the background music, change the background music to a relaxing lo-fi music. All right, so then click generate because the music is so loud, piercing to the ears. And by the way, this will not affect your minute or your generative credit. All right, I'm just changing the background music. So let's go back and I'll play again.
Have you ever scrolled through Instagram and seen someone promoting a product and wondered, how do they make money doing that?
All right, and the InVideo logo you see on it, when I download it, it wouldn't show because I'm using the paid version. All right, as you can tell here, I have the plus version. First, I will download it, and after I will change the voiceover. So download video and no watermark, no AI branding and all this. So continue. All right, so it's rendering before downloading the video. All right, so it's done, and I'll change this to private. I like doing that just so people cannot copy this. And as you can tell up here, it's downloading. All right, so it's done. Let's play it.
Have you ever scrolled through Instagram and seen someone promoting a product and wondered, how do they make money doing that? Or maybe you're tired of your 9 to 5 and dreaming of earning passive income online. Well,
All right, so as you can tell, there are no logos on it, like the InVideo logo, Storyblock logo, and stuff like that. So this is the final product and it's clear. So one way under the first option, and I will close it and go back. All right, I'm gonna edit it again to change the background voice. So all right, so I will say use an American male voice for the voiceover. Then generate, and like I said earlier on, it wouldn't affect my stock media minutes for the month. All right, because it's just changing the background voice. And by the way, InVideo AI uses iStock media, Storyblock media, Shutterstock media for the best video creation. All right, so it's done. Let's play it and see.
Have you ever scrolled through Instagram and seen someone promoting a product and wondered, How do they make money doing that? Or maybe you're tired of your 9 to 5 and dreaming of earning passive income online.
All right, so I like this. Now, there's one more thing I forgot to add, which is add caption to this video. All right, and I'll generate. All right, so it's done, and as you can tell, the caption has popped already. So I'll play it one more time. I like this, and I'll download it. So to download, click download video, and no watermarks, no InVideo AI branding, and it's in 1080 pixels. All right, so continue. All right, so it's almost done. Rendering doesn't take long. See, it's done. So I'll switch this to private, and it's almost done. All right, so it's downloading up here. It's done. Let's play it.
Have you ever scrolled through Instagram and seen someone promoting a product and wondered, how do they make money doing that? Or maybe you're tired of your 9 to 5 and dreaming of earning passive income online.
So with the captions, it makes it look nice and professional. I think I like the one with the captions. That is the first option. It uses my clone voice, which I have tutorial on how to do that. I'll drop the link in the description box. Actually, I'll drop the entire playlist, but I wanted to show you how to use the voice library in case you are using the free version. So I'll close it. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to InVideo AI by clicking on the InVideo logo and click on create AI video. All right, so now we are back here. Now I'll show you how to create a short video using these elements down here. So I'll click on create a short video, and what's the minute? So you can go with fast paced, very fast paced. All right, so I'll use fast paced, and then type your topic here. So I'll go back. So I'll say 10 benefits of affiliate marketing. All right, that's my topic, but now I have to prompt it well. So I will say create a 15-second video about the 10 benefits of affiliate marketing. All right, then for the settings, all right, so by default it's gonna be on only stock media. So click on the arrow, only generated clips, only generated images, only stock media, but I'll use the generated clips, background music, flow music. So for language, English, and add any subtitle. Let's see. All right, so I'll go with add bold subtitles with popping effect. All right, this grab attention quickly. And voice actor. So for voice actor, click on the any. I'll go with so you have any male, female, my voice, which is my clone voice, but I'll use male, and I'll go to voices. I'll click on it, play American voice, and watermark. I will say none. I don't want watermark because I have the pay plan. Music, and click on it. I'll say use YouTube audio library only, and generative style. Let's see, they have a bunch of them, but I'll use hyper realistic. All right, then click on continue and make sure the prompting here okay. Then I'll click on generate. All right, it's taking a little while to create it, so it's analyzing the nature of the video. I'll leave it alone until it's done. All right, so it's done already. It took about 20 seconds to analyze it. So this time around we are using the generative media, visual style, realistic, audiences, marketers. I'll go with entrepreneurs is the right audience, platform, YouTube shorts. All right, so it's gonna generate 15 seconds. So continue. All right, so it's loading right now. Now, one thing I've realized using this system is that generating videos with the generative media takes time, because this is just a 23 seconds video, and guess what, it took 5 to 7 minutes to generate this. So you just have to be patient. All right, so let's play it.
Let's go. Affiliate marketing benefits in 15 seconds. Passive income, low costs, flexibility, no support hassles, product variety.
All right, I don't like the background music, so I will say change the background music. So generate, because all right, so it's done. Let's try again.
Let's go. Affiliate marketing benefits in 15 seconds. Passive income, low costs, flexibility, no support hassles, product variety, global reach, performance rewards.
Using the generative media to create info-based video, you don't see the value in it than using it to create cartoons, scary movies, weight loss videos, stuff like that. But if it's for info based video, I would advise you don't use your generative media, all right? Because what I have right here, the stock library can do this easily, all right? So that's one advice there for you. Let me download and we'll see how that gonna work. Continue. All right, I'll switch this to private. I like doing all the time. So it's downloading up here. All right, so let's watch it.
Let's go. Affiliate marketing benefits in 15 seconds. Passive income, low costs, flexibility, no support hassles, product variety, global reach, performance rewards, networking, scalability, diverse streams. That's affiliate marketing for you.
So it looks clean and nice, but like I said, don't use your generated credits or generative media for info-based video. So I'll close it. Maybe I might upload these videos, who knows. All right, so go back to AI video. All right, so next let's check the prices. You see this amount, $70. The $35 is all right, it's correct. Let me click here, and when I click down, all right, back to 60 seconds, this is what it's supposed to be, and this one too, back to 120, which is what it's supposed to be, because that's the normal 15 minutes. All right, now to explain the free plan, for sure you have 10 AI minutes video, which is the one I created which is the first video I created. If you have the free plan, you can do that with 10 AI minutes, but you have the watermark on it. With this, you don't have generative credit and no voice cloning, but it comes with 10 gigabyte storage, and you have 4 exports per week with watermark, which is not professional if you ask me. All right, now with the $35 plan, which is the plus plan, you have 50 AI minutes, and it comes with 80 iStock, which means you can create 50 minutes video. This is the first video I created, but the second video will come from this one, which is 60 seconds generative credit for the month, or 1 minute for the month. So like I said, you cannot use this for content creation like YouTube and stuff like that. This is good for ads. All right, so if you want to create 15 seconds ad video, this is good. All right, then you have 45 seconds more left. So that's about that. And you have 2 voice clones and 100 gigabyte storage with 1 user and unlimited exports. All right, so for the mass plan, you have $60 a month. It comes with 200 AI minutes video with 320 iStock. Same 60 seconds generated credit, 5 clones, 5 voice clones with 400 gigabyte storage, unlimited exports. With the generative plan, you have $120 a month. That's if you go monthly, but with yearly, it's $96 a month, racking up to, which gives you $1,152 a year. All right, so I'll switch it to monthly since most of you will not drop that amount upfront. So like I said, you have 200 AI minutes, all right, with 320 iStock media. So the iStock media is the top notch or the best of the best, all right, in terms of stock library videos and images. And you have, most importantly, 15 minutes generative credit, all right. So if you create 1 minute video, you have 14 minutes more for the month. If you create 5 minutes video today, you have 10 minutes more left for the month. And it's different from this one. This one is InVideo AI using stock library videos and images. That's why you have a lot of minutes. And it comes with 5 voice clones, 400 gigabytes, and 1 user unlimited exports. Now, the difference between the generative plan and the mass plan, they both have 200 AI minutes with 320 iStocks, but the difference is here is generative credit, but this one gives you 50 minutes generative credit. Now, you ask, why is it similar to the Plus plan? The Plus plan has 50 AI minutes, but this one has 200 minutes. This one has 60 seconds, same 200 minutes, but the generative credit is 15 minutes per month. So that's the difference in pricing. Drop your questions in the comment section and I'll do my best to answer. Also, I'll drop the link in the description box. That's my affiliate link. Please don't forget to use it to sign up. All right, thanks for your time. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.